Welcome to Nabeel Math Academy. This is Dr. Mohammed Nabeel. In this video, we are going to study the factor by mode technique, that is perfect square trinomial, quadratic form, grouping, and the general factoring. As we already know, the formula a plus b whole square is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the expand form is given. I have to write it in the factor form. So this is the perfect square trinomial. So how will you write it this part? So it's a very easy thing. You can write it. So how will you identify this kind of problem first? Because the first term and the last term should be a square term. So here it is a x square and this is a perfect square term 25. And similarly, if you see here it is 25a square and here you will get what? 16b square. And here z power 4 and this is a perfect square. So how will you write in a single line? So I write it this part as the whole square. Take the square root of this part. So you will get here which is x, and take the square root of this one which is equal 5. And the sign you have to take it the same sign. What is this sign here? Minus. That's it. This is the factor. If you expand this part you will get x square minus 10x plus 25. Similarly, the next one is whole square and take the square root, so you will get here 5a, and here this is 4b, and the sign will be the same sign. What is the sign? It is plus. So this is the factor 5a plus 4b whole square. And similarly the next one, so here we will have to square root, so this is z power 2 and this one is 8, and the sign will be the same. What is the sign here? It's plus. So this is the factor. So this is a perfect square trinomial. The next one is a quadratic form, factor by the quadratic form. So in this case you will have, in this case we have x power 6. We don't have the formula for x power 6. Whenever you will have more than power 3, the special factoring you can do it, but here it is x power 3. So I will take this part as a u or x, another variable, so that you will convert in terms of x. So I will take this one as what? X equal u power 3. So what happened, this equation, the entire equation I have to convert in terms of x. So it becomes x square, the first term, that is u power 6 is x square. The next one is 5 5x 5x and minus 30. So it can be easily factorized by the factor techniques. So how will you factor this part? It is minus 36. Write it the factors: 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9. Since the both minus, we will say the large number will be minus. So which one is correct for this one? I write it this part. So I can write it directly because the leading coefficient is 1, x plus 4 and then x minus 9. And here this is not the formula which is given. The question is given in terms of u. You are giving the answer in terms of x. Now the next step is only simple step. I will replace x by u square, u power 3, u power 3 plus 4, and here u power 3 minus 9. That's it. So this is a quadratic form, but you have to substitute by the u method. So u method. Now similarly here we will have the degree is 4. So if you see the degree 2 plus 2 which is 4. So I will take the u part. Always you have to take the u part in the middle term. So I will take the u is equal some another variable. You can choose t, u, any variable. So u, now the whole thing is converted into, so this will be converted into u square plus 7u minus 18. So it is the same rule we have. So multiply, so it is a factor trinomial as usual step. So we will have 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6. So since it is the large number minus small number minus. So this one is correct. In order to get the 7, I can write it directly. Therefore, it is 2 minus u minus 2 u plus 2. And then I just substitute. What is the u value? What is the u value? So u value I have to substitute. Therefore, it is u is xy minus 2 xy plus 9. That's it. So this is the quadratic form, factor by quadratic form. You have to take the another variable as a u. Now the next one is a grouping. So how will you make the grouping? So first of all, you have to make it whether it is in the standard form. Is it in the standard form? No, because it is x power a power 2, have the a power 1, a power 1 and b power 2. So I will make it the standard form first. A square minus b square minus a plus b. So what is the common? What is this one here? What is the formula you can remember? So it is a special factoring. So a plus b, a minus b. This one. And here it is a common factor. What is that one here? The same. I take the minus 1 is a common here. So when I take minus 1 common, you will get here a minus b. A minus b. Now what is the common factor in these two? Therefore, this is a common factor. I will take it outside. You will get a minus b outside. The remaining part, you will get a plus b minus 1. That's it. And similarly, the next one we have, so it is in the proper form, the order, proper order. So we will get it here. So I will take these two terms and these two terms. What is the common in these two terms? You will have x power 3, x power 2. When I take it x power 2 outside, you will get x minus 3. And here, what is the common factor? Plus 9. When I take plus 9, you will get x minus 3. So here, this is a common factor is this part. I will take it out. So you will have x minus 3 is outside. You will have x square plus 9. Suppose if it is minus, I have to reduce further. I will factorize further. But here it is x square plus 9. We don't have the formula for a square minus b, a square plus b square. So leave it as it is. So this is by grouping. Now the last question here, it is a general factoring. In the general factoring, in fact, it is the summary of all the factoring, all factoring techniques we are using in this one problem. So first, what we'll do here, what are the common factor? This is v is a common. Another one is 2. So therefore, I will take the 2v common from these two. So you will get 2v is a common factor. So when I take it common, you will get what? 6x x power 6 plus 7. This is 7x power 3. V is taken outside minus 8. So this is the factor. So what we have done here? So we are doing here the GCF, greatest common factor. Now the next step, I have to go with U method because it is more than 4. So I will take this as a U. So what is this one? Let us take it as u equal x power 3. So what happened this part? So this become u square plus 7u minus 8. And the outside will be 2v will be the same. 2v will be the same. So I will factorize this one. What are the factoring here? So it is the factor u plus 8 u minus 1. So this is a factor trinomial. We are doing factor trinomial. So what the case we have applied here? Quadratic form. At this step, I am applying the factor by trinomial technique. Okay. So after that, I just replace u as equal what? X cube. So I replace u as x cube and u as x cube. So what happened? So this is the Answer 2v x cube plus 8 x cube minus 1. So this is the final answer. So still it is not a completing square. It is not a factoring. So therefore I have to go further. What is the further here? So it can be written as x power 3 plus 2 power 3. And here x power 3 minus 1 power 3. So this is the special factoring. So we have to go with the special factoring. So 2v will be the same. And what about this part? What about this part here? So it is x plus 3 and then x square minus 3x plus, sorry, x plus 2. So here it will be plus 2. So it is a and b, which is 2. X square minus 2x plus 4. So this is the first part. And what about the second one? So what about the second one? You have x minus 1, x plus x square plus x plus 1. So this is the special factoring we are done here. So we are doing here the special factoring. The formula for a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube we are applying in this one. So now it's going to be a completing the factors. So in this problem we are using almost all the different techniques in one problem. Thank you.